Hi, my name is Tosh with Ishuttle Computers, and thank you for visiting our booth at InfoComm 2026. I just want to give you a quick little exclusive preview of our X-50N. This has been a long-time product of shuttles for the POS marketplace. This year we have basically installed the latest generation of the Intel N-series processors, so you're getting a little bit more graphics performance, and you're also getting a little bit more processing performance. Again, for POS customers, it is a great PC. To be able to run single touch on it. It is also resistive touch, so you can use a stylus, you can use gloves on it, pretty much any kind of like restaurant application. You can also flip this over from a stand and double up into a little handle, so that way you can move it over from location to location. Again, just a little bit of mobility for your POS customers. So again, you can learn more about it at shuttlecomputers.com. This was called the X-50N.